Katie. What was that? What was that? Whoa. What are you doing, Patrick? Look at your sissy. She's going to be crawling soon. Patrick, do you see your sissy playing? She wants that remote. Look at her. No, don't give it to her. Oh, buddy. You're supposed to make her crawl for it. Oh, great. Now she's going to turn all the channels. Katie. 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 Oh, Patrick. Why does Mommy have to be a jungle gym? You see Katie? Whoa. Katie. 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 Look at Mama. Mama. You're a good helper. Thanks, buddy. Katie.